It is coming up to 9 o'clock, and I'll get my French Institute of Weights and Measures website open so we can see. It's www.bipm.org, but that's atomic time. bipm.org. And you'll see the seconds coming up when it renders. I got it. It's not displaying it yet, but we're still on 59 international time. The website's not rendering. Oh yeah, here's my atomic watch. There you go. 18 seconds. So my atomic watch hasn't had a timestamp. Here's time. No, that's good. 24, 25, 26, 27. Look, it's 30. It's in sync, UTC, and my watch has had an update recently. And I got a radio-controlled watch in my room, different device. You'll see how they're all in sync. But then if we go to the DAB 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So if you can see both together, maybe you can see their my watch is slightly ahead of, but we're not talking like nanoseconds in terms of the French Institute of Weights and Measures, and it takes all the atomic clocks around the world, and the SI unit of the second is what, 6 billion vibrations per second of cesium 133. Then you need an accurate atomic time source to measure Einstein's special and general theory of relativity, because the satellite is in a different gravitational potential. That's called gravitational time dilation. Time slows down, but it's also moving at a speed, so there's special and general theories of relativity that got to be considered. You got to fudge the timestamp for the signals in GPS. Otherwise, you'd be out by kilometers, not 10 meters. It verifies Einstein's theories. It's one example of the link between experiment and theory. I'm looking for my book on time. Oh, here we go. Shortcut through time. Oh, that's on gravitational time dilation. That's kind of quantum mechanics. But I got a book on atomic time, and then I got to explain to you how they're connected. That's an interesting video. Where's my book on atomic time? So you got to know all the physics between the large scale of the universe and the small scale of the universe in terms of quantum electrodynamics and Richard Feynman's theory on the magnetic moment of an electron, and why, in theory, he predicted it to 10 decimal places, and then when it was found, experimentally, he was correct to the 10th decimal place. And when you know science, you can connect all those branches of science. But we could go into that, but then that could be a longer video. I wanted to get my book to tell you the SI unit of the second without waffling, because it's an exact number. Oh, you can just Google SI unit of second, go on the wiki page. Yeah, and then look at quantum electrodynamics and special and general relativity, and form your own opinion on how they're connected. Well, that's science for you. Religion has none of that. Religion just has dogma and belief, and not a shred of evidence to support it. You can tell I'm a militant atheist, aren't I?